Guten Morgen, gute Mittag, die live No-Gucker, No-Guckerinnen. Heute geht es weiter mit einem weiteren Teil von Alien-Isolation. Wir kommen auf den 4. Teil. Und wirklich total muss frei abholen, geht es heute mal eine Let's Play in der Frühstück-Variante. Das ist schon einen guten, frisch gebraten Kaffee neben der Ruhestund, ohne Zucker. Und auf Empfehlung von einem Kollegen mit Ahornsirup, Pyramidler und 2 English Muffins. Allerdings so ein fängt man an, Alien-Isolation, Campaign, Continue Game. Wir waren Lashkeier, wir sind mal genau dran, richtig. Wir sind auf der Sicht in einem Iron an einem Face Burner, wenn ich mich nicht irren, für noch Dieren abzukriegen. Und voilà. Ich probiere etwas Neues, ich bin Lashkeier den Ingame Sound richtig schreiben. Der Ingame Sound, Remainder. So wie auch den von meinem Mikrofon, weil ich Schnüssen abraddeln, durch ein OBS abholen. Jo. Oh. Und ich probiere nicht los separat mit Audacity zu machen. Wie gehe ich noch? Ist okay, wie kommen wir schon mehr in den... Ich mache meinen Schläfer direkt nach einem Medikit. Weiß ich nie. Cool. Ah. Führen wir da los? Was ist mir drin? So. Hier waren wir ran. Wird mal abgespart. Hier waren wir ran. Dann haben wir hier noch ab. Hier waren wir. Hat noch den. Irgendwann Waffel. Und ich mich nicht hier. Auf jeden Fall, wie gesagt, ich habe hier abgeholt und eng voll geguckt beim PewDiePie. Beim Sarah sein Ragelos, der echt voll ist. Ich möchte nicht weiter geguckt, weil ich mit Spiel an dem Sinne nicht verkacken will. Ich muss ein bisschen mehr machen. Ich schon keine Ahnung, was sie bis durch können. Schon zermottet da sind. Am besten so wie möglich speichern soll. Weil ihr sonst ziemlich schnell irgendwo mal neu aufhängen kann. Dann kann man eine Katze sehen. Yay! Oh shit.
Stay still.
Okay. Okay.
Now turn around. Come on!
Aber denkt so.
I'm Ripley.
Where'd you come from? Ripley?
Off station. A ship.
There's no ships here!
There are now.
Well, that's good news. Because things are not so good here. Something blew just now. Rocked this whole place.
I saw it.
But maybe that's the least of our problems.
Yeah?
Yeah. Something's on this station. Something you wouldn't believe.
Like what?
A killer. You get it?
Okay.
Take it easy.
What's your name?
Axel.
I was boarding with 2 colleagues. EVA. We got separated by the blast. Can you help me find them?
Why?
Because you seem to know your way around.
I mean, why? What's in it for me?
A place on the ship.
How do I know I can trust you?
I need to find comms. I need to contact my ship.
This is your lucky day.
Okay, ich will.
Let's go, sweetheart. Seeks comms is in the Systech Spire. It's quite a distance, but we can get to a transit through the freight area. But watch yourself. We can get into all sorts of trouble there, okay?
Ja, das stimmt. Ich will. Okay, wir gehen in Emsetzung. Vergiss was. Wo den Himmel das? Head to the transit with Axel. Transit. Nur das mit direkt durch.
Come on, I don't want to stick around here long.
Ja, schon nicht. Ich bin hier so. Ich bin der Salvo, Mann. Ich kann mit Schöpfen. Mann, ey. Ja, überhaupt. Weibliche
Is that
Protagonist.
you following me back there?
Had to keep my distance. Can't take any chances.
Ich bin hier gleich gebufft. Oh.
Stick close to me. Hey, don't move.
Oh, okay. We're not looking for trouble. Who are you?
I'm John. This is Ringo.
They're just some
Must-
assholes.
Lurens.
We haven't got time for this. Come on, Jana.
We're trying to get to comms. Can you help us?
We don't need their help.
Don't tell them anything. Look, I've got the elevator working. Jana, let's go, okay?
I'm sorry. Good luck.
What the hell was
Bitch.
that about? Why are you so damn aggressive?
Everyone's running shit scared. Keeping to their own. Safer that way.
En dan pieps.
I hope this ship of yours is the real McCoy. Hold up. Let me get the elevator.
Verschiedene Falle Herren is in de W. Permanent
Allow me. Place is old. Needs a special touch.
wie Knups an de Schacht oder was für drüber den Leute auf der.
Well, what are you waiting for? Hit the button.
Spaceflight terminal to reach.
Keep the noise down here. There might be people around.
I'd appreciate it if you told me what the hell was going on. Right now.
Listen, darling. When we get to the ship, we can kick back, braid each other's hair, and chat all you want.
Yeah, when we get to my ship. I need to know what's going on. Right fucking now.
Fine. Like I said, there's a killer.
A killer. What does that even mean?
I ain't seen it, but it's here. Picking us off one by one.
What are you saying? A psycho? A person?
No, something else. A monster.
Die scheiß Musik in dem Spiel, gell? Genauso schlimm wie im Film. Boah, ey. Das Schiss, Mann. Das wirkt nicht wahrscheinlich auch aus. Und ich kann natürlich schwer gehen, das ist ja ein Klassiker. Du sagst hier nicht, wo Flint hört, ha?
Shit, we need to move. This way. Get down.
This is bullshit, man. We should be looking for a way off.
Are you crazy? There's no way off. At least we're safe down here.
For how long? What if they come for us?
Then we shoot the crap out of them. Now shut up. You're making me nervous.
Glad I found you guys. Trouble. We'll have to go random. Follow me.
Ich doch hier kann man
Friends of yours?
I've had run-ins with those guys before. They don't like strangers. Even nice guys like me.
I'm shocked.
I'm pulling your chain, darling. You want to go and say hello? It's your funeral. Those guns aren't for show.
Someone should be doing something.
They are. It's called surviving. Everyone's turning on each other. The fear, it makes people crazy.
I've noticed.
Das ist noch nicht die größte Fan
You've
von
been
Menschen.
living here?
What can I say? My butler's on holiday. Grab what you need. I don't know when you'll get another chance.
Ja, Leben machst du hin?
Been hunkered down here for a week now, waiting for a ship. Waiting for you, I guess. It can get pretty dark around here.
Met die
You should
micro.
take that flashlight over there. Make sure you're stocked up on batteries.
Das ist verpasst.
Come on, what are you waiting for? Pick up the flashlight.
Mann, wer? Wo ist der? Ah. I like that.
Just be careful not to flash it around. We don't want to get caught.
Okay. Yes, loot. Old school saving. Yes. I want to do that. And now,
Let's go.
let's get ready to rumble. Ze werden geil klein verstoppen was het. Moet je stoken. All respect.
This way.
Spann immer op das hier gebufft geht, gell?
What now?
I'll watch the vent. There's another vent round here somewhere. I marked it so I wouldn't forget it.
Hier.
How about you look around? We're not going anywhere until you find that vent.
What? Ich soll Herbonne sichern. Boah, der Gag.
I hate this place.
Axel, is this it?
Hold on. I'm coming. I knew it was here somewhere. See? Got it covered. Come on.
Damn. It's getting dark in here.
It's not smart to stay here too long.
Geht ja nicht so. Die haben nicht gescheite Bannen zu bleiben, die waren. Ja, ist ein scheiß creepy Alien in hier.
Is the way everyone travels around here?
Just those that want to stay alive, sweetheart. Torrens, so that's your ship, huh?
Mhm.
Quiet. I hear something.
Yeah, I hear you. Will do. Gotta go meet the others. Something's going down.
There's always something going down.
Come on. We don't want to piss him off. We'll make it through this, I promise.
Follow me.
Canadians mit English Muffins, das ist mega geil. Hallo Vollspeed heraus.
Okay, gotta be quiet here. Don't shine that flashlight.
Mhm. Hat ich nicht wollen.
Quietly. Hold up.
This is
What's the emergency? Someone else has been here. Everyone, stay alert. Keep your guns tight. Shoot anyone you don't know. Stick around while I check our stock.
They're armed. Too many of them to take on.
Take on?
We still got to get through there. The door at the end.
Are you kidding me?
Let's try a distraction. The generator. If that went down, they'd have to check it out. You're smaller than me. You'll make less noise.
Great.
Which one of you checked our supplies last?
I did. What's up?
You decide to help yourself a little?
What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Hey,
What's the
he's been
generator?
with me the whole time.
We're missing food,
Generate.
ammo, meds. If it's not one of us, then we were right. Someone's been in here.
This is no good. We're supposed to be secure down here.
Damn it. What about the lock Joe rigged up?
I've just come from there. Sealed tight. Eyes open. Keep your guns ready.
Someone's gonna have to tell the boss.
Boss? He's a goddamn store clerk.
Yeah? Maybe you think you could do better.
He's not saying that.
Just saying that...
Just stop saying. Help me check the rest of this stuff. That is, if you could keep your trap from running for 5 seconds.
Hm. Dann noch der scheiß Computer da, wo noch shit drin ist. Geil.
What just happened? Generators died.
It just turned itself.
What was that?
Go on. Go!
We've warned you.
Get back!
Fuck shit. Hallo? Aber nicht, ne? Sind wir da drin?
Doesn't seem to be broken.
How would you know, Einstein?
If the generator had blown, there'd be smoke.
Well, it's not working now.
Maybe the safety got tripped.
Could have been a rodent. Got stuck in it, set off the safety.
A rat. Big fucking rat to do that.
Nice work, Ridley. This way. Let's keep it down. They're still close by. Follow me.
Mann, was eine Logik, ne? Kannst du einfach gesprinnen, nicht krachen da durch in Müllen. Ja, bon, was will? Ja, ist gut, ich gefähr. Ah.
How much further?
Nearly there. Transit's just up ahead. Let's just hope your ship's still there.
Und du kannst los von drüben, das ist doch schon
Sebastopol
creepy.
not quite what you're expecting, eh?
Yeah,
I'm not
well.
even supposed to be here. My shipping out papers were for a week ago.
Hm. Dann haben wir etwas geschuppt. Inventory. Best-Bin Water. Running low on ammunition. Hm. Das ist immer schlecht. Keine Sau mehr Munition hat, was bringt mir, wenn ich eine Waffe habe? Und die überhaupt nicht vorne. Immer das Face! Wie ist sie überhaupt? Das heißt, ich nenne dich Pedro. Ja, das sieht Pedro. Ain't got no power.
It's powered down. The assholes have cut us off. Got it. We need to activate both consoles at the same time to open it. I'll do this one. You go to the one on the other side.
Got
Okay.
it, bro. Ich habe mir eigentlich nicht gerade so lange herunter ne?
Ready. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Behind you.
What?
Fuck you! Get here now! I've got the thieving son of a bitch! You bums think you can take what you want? Get the fuck off me! This is my place, my property!
Dann.
Fuck. Let's
Shit.
go. The others are on their way.
Element oder so.
We need to go! Now! Hey, you bastard!
Android.
Move it! Shoot him! Shit, I think he's dead. They killed him. Come on!
Oh.
You killed that guy!
Because he was going to kill me, you saved my life.
Alien.
This is about survival.
Wolven.
Do you understand?
Oh nee. Eddie Pedro.
Hear something. I hear something.
Axel?
Fuck if I got on me.
Stupid motherfucker.
What the hell was that thing?
Ew. Transit. Ich muss drinnen hin.
Gotta keep moving.
Ah, Herrmann. Wieso mal das Hack gestorben geht oder so? Musik. Jo. Wo ist die Glas, ey? Nicht. Ey, und alle die scheiß Tiere. Und so. Oh, fuck. Wenn die Musik nicht wäre, das Spiel im Haus so schlimm, ey. Das ist ja... Okay, du stimmt gerade nicht reden als Agro. Die Gegner der Leute. Ich müsste... mich nur entscheiden. Unelevated seas. Das Porsche, das immer auf dem Heirat.
Serving Seegson Communication Technologies, Tech Support Services, and Gemini Exoplanet Solutions.
Yeah, I know now. The access... What? Okay.
Your safety is important to us. Please report all transit malfunctions immediately.
Okay, Okay, ich kann da Handboxennummer. Der Müller bringt. I don't know. Okay. Transit Solomons, Transit Engineering, Visiounen, Six and Communications. Links erop, rechts erop. Links Safe Station. Dat is een Safe Station. Orange System Lobby. Safe, 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 safe. Dummer ziehen wir dann noch auf 20 Minuten quasi. 20 Minuten dann kommen. So ein Merci für no gucken, merci no lassen. Ich hoffe, gefällt dich. Bis die nächste Folge. Ciao, ciao.